Now let us see some of the tips for making maximizing impact of the stock footage images. So there is no doubt that video is powerful media, and it comes and when it comes to online video, there are few things to keep in mind to make sure your videos are high quality and having a maximum impact. So for having a maximum impact, you need to use high quality footages, which may seem like a no brainer, but it is very important to use footages which is clear and focused. Blurry or low resolution footage can be a major turn off for the viewers. Second, be selective with your footage. Not every moment you need to be captured on the video. In fact, sometimes it's better to edit your footage to only the most impactful moments, whether it's an image or third, video. You need to edit your footage for the maximum impact. This is where you can really get creative and tell a story with your video. So you need to always connect your images or videos with your story. Choose the right music, choose the right image or right video, and add special graphics and special effects, which makes real more impactful and engaging. It also becomes visually appealing for the users. So finally, you can choose the platform, choose the right platform to showcase your video. So there can be a number of different platforms are there for getting a good stock images, but I prefer using Wave Video because like it has a good collection of stock footages and images you can use, and not only that, you can also edit the videos and get whatever you want. All the video making tools, different kinds of tools are available in the Wave Video. I'm going to explain in the coming upcoming videos, but you can also do your own research. You can try out this tool. Definitely, you can try out this tool to know like how far it is useful for you in terms of video making journey. So coming back, whether you are like looking for the post your video on YouTube, Facebook, or your own website, make sure you can choose the best platform that will give your video the maximum exposure it deserves. So it will be as intended, it will be helpful for you. Let us see like before actually you are doing videos. So the rise of social media platform has led to an increase in demands of videos. People are now able to create and share videos with a wider audience. There is a growing trend for the people continuously in terms of video making and live journey as to communicate and connect with others. Videos can be used to promote and market products or services even. Live streaming provides a real-time and interactive way to engage the audience. It can also be used to build relationships and connect people on a personal level. This is why you need to get started with building videos as it has n number of multiple benefits